Hi everyone, it's Pac here. I'm going to show you a tip that's going to save you about $20 a month if you're using either OpenAI, GPT, or you're using Gemini Advanced. Let me show you how. So let's have a look here. This is Gemini, and if you were going to use Gemini Advanced, you have to subscribe and it's going to cost you about $20 a month. Similarly, if you're using OpenAI, you're probably paying $20 a month to use the subscription to get you access to the better models, i.e. GPT-4. Let me show you how to get similar levels of performance using Gemini 1.5 Pro for free. Let's go onto Chrome. Let's search for Google AI Studio and click on the first link. When you sign into Google AI Studio, you get a user interface that's very similar to either Google Gemini Advanced or ChatGPT 4 with the subscription, but the difference is this, the pricing. With Google AI Studio, we give it away free of charge, up to 2 requests a minute for input and output tokens. That means you get basically top level of performance using our latest generative AI models from Google Cloud, but they're completely free. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and share it with everyone you like. Talk to you soon.